it going, Corillo? My name is Alex and welcome to a brand new video here at Blue Cooper Motors. Today, as you saw in the title, I'm installing my first mod on the Mini Cooper, and it is in this little box. So before installing it, I want to clean my car because it is very dirty, like damn. So yeah, let me get started with that and I'll see you when I finish. So, now that I'm gonna clean my car, it's a perfect moment to talk about the sponsor of the channel, bashautocar.com. For those of you that don't know, bashautocar.com is the sponsor of the channel. They're a car cleaning product company that sells some soaps, waxes, buckets, foam guns, cloths, whatever you may need to clean your car, they sell it. So if you want your car to look as clean and amazing as mine, you can go to bashautocar.com and use code BCMBOSH to get 10% discount on your order. So now comes the fun part of the video, which is me mounting the mod I bought. I don't know if a lot of you are gonna consider it a mod, but for me it's a mod. So now the moment all of you have been waiting for, what is gonna be the Mini's first mod? So I have it right here. Right in this little box, it's the first mod. It's hard to open with the one hand. And it is this little light. So for those of you that don't know, this little light I have here is to replace this one right here. Why I want to change it? Because this one, as you can see here, it's cracked. It was cracked when I bought the car. So I want to replace it with this one that is way cooler because it's LED. This one has an old looking bulb. This one looks more nicer. So let's do that. So the first step to install these new lights, it's to cut the hood because we need to move this out of the way and we can't do it with the hood closed. So yeah. Here we go. Now as you can see, we can slide this out of place. So to get this out of place, you just push it and slide it, and then it's out. And then the reason you need to do that is because you need to get the bulb out of place first. So twist, and the bulb is out. So after you get the bulb and this thing out of place, you just have to put this metal tab to get the glass out and this out. Then to take the little bulb out, you simply pull and take it out of place, and if it wants to focus, it doesn't, so yeah, you just have to pull out the bulb. It's fairly easy. Then we have our new ones. They just plug in the same place you pulled the bulb out of. Now let me put this here to check if it's working or not. I'm gonna put you guys over here so you can see if it works or not. Ooh. Looks so cool. Now that I know it works, I'm gonna have to unplug it because I need to put this back again so it is completely fitted. So to put this light inside of here, you just have to be focusing on this little tab over here. Right here, there's a little tab that you have to put it over here and then push both sides, so it's really tight there, and here you have it. Looks so much better than the other one. So to put this on, you just have to plug the light in like that, and then you have to put this cable inside of here. You have to push really hard because there's some rubber there that won't let water come in, and then you put it right like this, and voila, new repeaters on the Mini. Now on the other side, so for this side, same process, slide, get it out, get the bulb out. We have it right here. So as in the other side, we pop this out of place. Here you have the old one. Then we grab the little bulb that's here. We pull it out. Here it is. This little bulb. Then comes a very satisfying part. Taking the plastic wrapper off. So satisfying. Here we have it. New lights. Put this through, and then the tab. Find the tab. Here it is. Then push up. That's perfect. Here you have the other one. Now, as I did on the other side, plug it in. Its place. Here we go. We put this inside so a bulb won't get wet. Put that in, then we push on both sides and slide. It's gonna sound really creepy. I thought I broke the tab the first time, but no, it's sturdy and it looks amazing. So guys, I'm filming this after I filmed everything else because I forgot to tell you to grab all the OEM parts and store them somewhere. I don't know. I'm gonna store them in the same box I got the new ones in, so I don't lose them, because it's better to have them and not need them than to not have them and need them, because you never know what's gonna happen. So yeah, words of advice. And so Beanie, let me turn the hazards on. Check if the lights are working. We have light number 1, we had already checked, but it's good to see it is still working. And light number 2, the one we just installed very quickly, it is working too. So first successful mod on the Mini. I did not expect it to make it look that different. I don't know how many of you are gonna count that as a mod. I count that as a mod because it makes the car look a little bit different, so it's a little visual mod for me. So guys, that's all for today's video. So if you liked it, smash that like button, it really help out a lot. If you're unsubscribed, go subscribe, and when you're there, don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any future uploads and you are notified every time I upload. And yeah, see you next time.